day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you've been.
Hey guys, what's up? Boy the Cones here. Right now, all I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be showing you a contest I have for the server, which I plan to do. Okay. Just what the heck? Okay. So what you do is spawn here, and then you would go to this portal right over here to the contest. Then it takes you to this world here. And then in that world, here, let me just put my thing back. In this world, you, is a contest. And what it is it's a building contest. Now, you must have a theme. And here, let me just do one quick thing. You must have a theme, okay? And here are the rules. Welcome to the building contest rules. No griefing other people's plots, you'll be banned. No breaking signs with names on it, you'll be banned. First prize gets VIP treatment, op, $100,000 in Minecraft, experience orbs, and gets to help build a server. I'll build up extra things which I, Boy the Cones, will get to help you on. Second gets VIP treatment, $10,000 in Minecraft, 10,000 Minecraft dollars in experience orbs. Third place gets 100 Minecraft dollars in experience orbs. Okay, so and also here are the rules. You have to have fun, of course. Do not break the building, which if you break this building, you'll be automatically disqualified. You have to put a sign with your name above it. So, like, let's say if I were to take it right here, I'd take it and I'd say, in use by Boy of the Cones. And then I'll just have in use by Boy the Cones, just like that. And then, so that way no one would take it. In use by Boy the Cones, and let's just say I've mentioned my friend Diamond Broham, then you can put in use by Diamond Broham. Now, none of the plots are being used yet because I'm starting this contest today. Oh yeah, and here's another rule you must have. You must have a theme and put a sign with that theme. You know what? No. You must have a theme and put a sign with the name of the theme of the theme. Whoa, that was actually cool. And then, so yeah, and then here's your plots. All the plots are equal. And here's what you do. For instance, I will just go to plot. Here, I'll do an example on how to do this. Sorry. Plot 1. I click it. And then here's my building plot. And then what you need to do here is basically you get to build anything you want. You look up in the mini map up in the corner. You'll see it. You can build anything you want on here, and also the rule is you cannot build outside it or extend it, because I did know how many bricks across it is. Each one has, again, its own plot, and it's all stone, so you get to build on the stone. And then you can build anything, and it's also I want quality, not quantity. So if you build something extremely big, if you just were to build this giant, for instance, dome, that would not be good, because I wouldn't like, and it was just empty. That would not be good, because then it would just be nothing. But if you were to what was I gonna say? If you were to build a giant dome, or a littler dome, to be exact, we'll put a billion details in it, like indentations and everything. That'd be better. I mean, yeah, I'd want something other than a dome, but yeah, but that's pretty much it. And then each plot, as you can see, it's fairly big actually. Here, once that generates over there. Yeah, this is your building space. All of that stone you can build on. And then, yeah. See, that's your building plot. It's pretty neat, I think. So yeah, we'll go back to this thing. You must have a theme with the sign of the, and so you have to have a theme, put the sign there, and it'll be judged on that theme. Have fun, do not break the building. Put a sign with your name on it, also above the plot sign number on the wall. So that way that plot will be taken. And you cannot grief other people's plots. No breaking signs with names on it. And then, oh yeah, no building outside the plot or extending it. Alright, now this is it. You have to put a sign with your plot. Put a sign on your plot with your name on it. Or if you don't have that sign, it is considered empty. So also, if you forget to have your name up here, and well, that's okay, but it's preferred. Also, you have to have it. But if you don't have that, when you go there and there's no sign, it is going to be assumed empty, and that player abandon it. So that if you find that, it's up for you. So always make sure that your plot is there. And if a lot of people enter this, I'll keep extending the plots. But for right now, this contest will go to let's see. It'll go. Oh yeah, we'll make it. I'll give you 2 weeks from today. Okay. So let's see. Today is the 1st of August. So you'll have till August. 2 weeks from today. You'll have. I am being dumb right now. 2 weeks. You'll have till August 15th. And then that's when me and my friend Diamond Broham and I, we will be judging it. And yeah, now Diamond Broham, he is going to enter, but I will give him his own plot, and he just wanted to do it for fun. He can't actually win anything. He already talked. I mean, he could, but he already talked to me because he already has it. Diamond Broham's a great friend of mine. But so yeah, he's gonna enter. So you can like base it off of his. Now I honestly am not gonna enter, but I am going to be the judge on August 15th. So please join, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. Now before I go, actually, here it is right here, so you know how to join. CIP. Alright, yeah, now that's it. Bye bye.